A pyramid on a cuboid. I have drawn the figure, so I want to explain how many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges. Let's check. 12 faces. One on the bottom and surrounded 4 plus 4, 9. It is 9, so A is not true. 13 vertices. 1 here, 4 here, and 4 here. Totally 9 vertices. It's not true. 14 edges. 3 of them are edges, so let's be careful. There are 4 green on the bottom. These are green. And these are dark blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dark blue edges and 4 red edges. 4 red. And we have black edges on the top. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 black edges. How many edges do we have? 16. Not 14, not 15, but 16. The answer is E.